Hey friends, for the detached chain stitch, I'm using the second to largest needle from this embroidery pack here, and I've also got 3 strands of my embroidery thread, and I've knotted my thread just at one end. So I'm going to come up through the fabric where I want the pointed tip of my shape to be. Then I'll come back down through the fabric through the same hole to create a loop on the surface, but I'm going to hold onto that loop instead of pulling it all the way through the fabric. Then, depending on how long you want the stitch to be, you can bring the needle up inside the loop and pull it down. Then you'll take the needle over top the loop and down through the fabric to make a small securing stitch to hold it to the fabric. And there you go. I'll show you a couple more times just so you can get the hang of it. And there you go. Thank you for joining me. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again next time.